Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat or, in today's case, without lifting a mop. Today, we're pitting two robotic gladiators against each other in the ultimate cleaning showdown. The Roborock Revo robot vacuum, aka Revo, versus the eufy X10 Pro Omni, or simply X10 Pro. Who will come out on top? Who will clean up the competition? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the price. Revo comes in at $899, while X10 Pro is a bit kinder to your wallet at $799. That's a $100 difference, folks. So if you're looking to save some cash for that overpriced avocado toast, X10 Pro might be your go-to. But let's see if the extra Benjamin is worth it for the Revo. Both vacuums come with docks that do more than just charge. The Revo's dock is like a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. It washes the mop, dries it with hot air, refills the water tank, and even empties itself for up to 7 weeks. It's basically the butler you never had. On the other hand, X10 Pro's dock also washes and dries the mop, but its dustbin needs emptying every 2 months. It's like the Revo's slightly lazier cousin. Now, let's talk about suction power. Revo boasts a respectable 5,500 pascals, which is great for sucking up everything from pet hair to those embarrassing crumbs you dropped during your midnight snack. But X10 Pro takes it up a notch with a whopping 8,000 pascals suction power. This thing could probably vacuum up your regrets from last night's party. X10 Pro wins this round, hands down. When it comes to mopping, Revo's dual spinning mops rotate at 200 RPM with 30 water flow levels. It's like having a mini tornado on your floor. Meanwhile, X10 Pro's MopMaster 2.0 spins at 180 RPM with 1 kilogram of downward pressure. It's slower but heavier, kind of like your uncle dancing at a wedding. Both have auto mop lifting to avoid soaking your carpets, but X10 Pro lifts its mops by 12 millimeters, while Revo lifts by 7 millimeters. So X10 Pro's got a slight edge here. Alright, let's see how these robots handle obstacles. Revo uses reactive tech obstacle avoidance and PressaSense LiDAR navigation with 3D mapping. It's like having a tiny, meticulous interior designer in your home. X10 Pro features AI, Smart Cleaning, which can identify over 100 objects and even works at night. Plus, it has iPath laser navigation and customizable AI Map 3.0 for no-go zones. X10 Pro is like a ninja with a PhD in cleaning. I'd say X10 Pro wins this round too. Last but not least, let's talk about hair. Revo's all-rubber brush is designed to reduce hair tangles, which is great if you've got pets or if you shed like a Siberian husky. But X10 Pro has an auto-detangling roller brush that rotates in reverse and uses a Pro Detangle comb to remove hair. It's like a self-cleaning hairbrush. X10 Pro takes this one too. Reviewers generally find the Roborock Revo to be a feature-packed and reliable vacuum, especially praising its AI object recognition and effectiveness in homes with pets. However, some users noted minor issues that were resolved with firmware updates. On the other hand, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is lauded for its exceptional suction power, advanced obstacle navigation, and ease of maintenance, making it a favorite among pet owners and busy households. So there you have it, folks. while Revo offers some fantastic features and a multifunctional dock that's basically your new best friend. X10 Pro seems to edge it out with better suction, more advanced obstacle avoidance, and a superior hair management system. Plus, it's $100 cheaper. If you're looking for the ultimate cleaning sidekick, X10 Pro might just be your new bae. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe to Buy Smart for more comparisons, and let us know in the comments which robot vacuum you think wins this battle. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.